When it happened, I couldn't believe, but what I will tell you is that I never gave up. I worked on my self-concept and the beliefs I had about myself, relationships, and my SP in general. I did this by a mixture of these few things: SATs, inner conversations, and overnight affirmation tapes. Not that time matters, but it took 9 months for everything to become full-blown manifestation. So when you hear people say persist, seriously, just do it. If I was to manifest a new SP, I will say it would probably happen quicker because I now have a really good understanding of how it works, plus a fire self-concept. I'm not gonna tell you what I visualized or had inner conversations about, because it's different for everyone, and what I visualized might not give you the feeling of it being real like it did for me. But pick something that makes you feel good, something that makes you smile, something that you could assume would happen. If you need self-concept work, affirmation tapes are great. Throughout the time it took, we continued to grow closer and closer. It was definitely a situationship type of deal for a while, but the last 2 months I really just let go and started enjoying our time together, and allowed the state to lead me, and it seems as though so much unfolded within that time because I didn't really care anymore. He insisted we go stay at a casino resort overnight, and we talked about buying this couple card game, so we did. We played it that night, and one of the cards he pulled said, "What's a question you've been waiting for me to ask you?" We both looked at each other smiling, knowing what that question was, and he told me he had been waiting for the right moment to ask, so he did. Later that week, after we were already in a committed relationship, he literally affirmed my whole self-concept back to me. Beautiful, successful, intelligent, fun, etc., and told me he loved me. If I could give you any one piece of advice, I would say to work on your inner confidence. Your confidence in yourself and confidence in your manifestations. Don't obsess over anything, just be yourself, work through triggers as they come up, and don't take things too seriously. It will all come.